Hey guys, guess what? As you see in the picture, deals are starting from 9 rupees on Swiggy Instamart plus lot more. Let's check out. Hello, namaste. How are you doing? Hope you're all happy, fine, smiling. Aap kaise ho? As you see here, you can get seasonal fruits on Swiggy Instamart. If you know the name of the fruit, let me know in the comment section, please. These are rich in vitamin C and iron. You see here deals of 9 rupees. This is super chocolate cake from Gobbles. Super tasty, super fluffy. You can go to Swiggy Instamart as you see in the video and click on 9 rupee deals. As you see here, you can get Gobbles cake at 9 rupees. Of different flavors, and you have buy one get one free also. If you don't find this offer, you can check out at Steel Deals, which I'll show you in the later part of the video. As for now, we'll see what's a free gift. Here you can see the donut cake from Baker's Dozen. It says free sticker inside. You can see here, it is excitingly super colorful, is it not? Here comes the free sticker, and it is a motivational booster. Let's go. So you can stick it on your phone as you see here and get motivated or pepped up with this peppy talk, right? So here is donut cake with a chocolate filling inside. As you see here, it has got lots of special features with the zeros, that is zero maida, zero preservatives, zero artificial colors. But protein in particular is a must. So it has got protein because it is made up of wheat flour. It is super tasty, fluffy and chocolatey. You can have it on Swiggy Instamart with a free sticker. Okay, moving forward, we have one more free gift. As you see here, you can get free shaker on purchase of Horlicks Pro. This is Women Horlicks Pro, which you can have and lose weight up to 2 kgs per month. And it replaces a meal as well. So you can check out. Now we'll see as how to get surprise free gift. There's free cash. As you see here, you can go to Swiggy. Once you go there, this kind of screen appears before you. You can click on open your gift. After opening, you will see this kind of interface appearing before you. You can choose any of these 3. Once you choose, you go to order or place your order within 24 hours of time. Here I have selected one. So you can click on order now. You can check out this 9 rupee deals and 80% off deals. As you see here, you can add to cart if you're interested and in need of the products. Here I'm showing 9 rupee deals once again. So you can click on see all if you want to add more of 9 rupee products. Mostly you have munchies and cakes. You can enjoy. You can add to cart as shown in the picture. And you have BOGO offer also as well. You can come down and click on see all and add to cart the BOGO offers. That is buy one get one free. And if you want a free sticker, you can give in the search bar as donut cake of Baker's Dozen and add to cart. If you are done with adding, click on view cart and here you can see the free cash. You can claim it as shown in the picture, and you have steel deals as well. You can add to cart the steel deals that are shown up. So here a free gift is auto added. Here you can see how many 9 rupee products I have added to the cart. So you do check out and enjoy. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling. Peace out.